sing this song for 2 hours. The one who answers prayer.
The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer.
Say, hallowed be your name. Hallowed be your name. Hey, thy kingdom come.
The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Can I tell you what will happen? I am told me today. He said, as you worship, there will be mighty wonders. Tonight is not a night to pray about anything. There are wonders happening as I speak now. There are things checking out of people's body as I speak now. I said there are things happening now. The Lord says, I want to show wonders like I've never done before. Elusa, bring the cutter. I bring the word of the Lord to you. You may not see wind, you may not see rain, but the valley shall be filled. 2 Kings 3:16. That's the word I bring to you. God says I should tell you, you may not see signs, you may not see movement, you may not see things work, but water shall be turned to wine. Alaso Bremadika Pala, Eluse Perona Natalia. As we worship tonight, things are happening, things are shifting, things are changing. Osepalagapala, Edabayada, say, hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Thy kingdom come.
Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Is it really good?
Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Hallowed be your name.
Come on.
Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your
The one who answers prayers.
The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer is your name.
Hey, the one who answers.
The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer is your name.
The one who answers prayers. Hey, the one